Today we are going to take a quick preview of the upcoming Deer Valley Farmhouse. This home is in production and can be purchased now. We currently do not have this home on display, but it is coming soon. We call this farmhouse the Adriel. The Adriel is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,160 square foot manufactured home. This home can also be built as a modular home. To learn more about the differences in manufactured and modular homes, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, options, and a few other factors. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. Also, please let us know what you like about this home or what you would like to add to this home in the comments section down below. We love hearing your feedback. Our Adriel is built with spruce lumber construction rather than pine. What does that mean? Spruce is a harder wood than pine and it performs better. This home also is built with number 1 or number 2 grade lumber in its construction. That not only strengthens the structure of the home, but it also helps with the fit and finish of the home by keeping the walls, ceilings, and floors all a little bit more square. This home is also equipped with croft windows. Croft windows are more energy efficient and they last longer than your standard windows. Our Adriel is also built with TechShield roof decking. TechShield is an upgraded roof decking that keeps your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. We have a demonstration in our lobby to show you just how this TechShield roof decking works. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we equip our Adriel with an insulation package that is both beyond the Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package and beyond the Energy Star rating. With the insulation package we build into this home, the TechShield roof decking and croft windows, it is incredibly energy efficient. This home can also be equipped with an energy efficient heat pump or a gas furnace depending on your needs. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional. You can select different siding, roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, paints, appliances, and more. This manufactured home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this topic. For more information about financing a manufactured home, we have a great new video on that topic as well. As far as different options go, you can upgrade or downgrade a lot of different options to meet your budget. You can select from a variety of different siding, roofing, flooring, cabinet, countertops, walls, appliances, faucets, sinks, and more. There are a number of different flooring options available, such as laminate, tile, or hardwood. You can customize and select from a wide range of exteriors to this home. You can also select a different roof pitch. You can add a variety of different dormers, or you can choose from multiple siding options. If you are renting now and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money on your utility bills and maintenance costs, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. If you have high utility bills, buying a new energy efficient manufactured home might just cost you less money than staying in that older home and wasting all of that money on high utility bills and maintenance costs. There are also several tax-saving benefits to owning your home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new home. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options, in many cases, are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. We are now serving 5 states, including Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri, with more states coming soon. For more information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes, and for more great home tours. Also, let us know what you think about this home and what you would like to change about this home in the comments section below. We really do love hearing your feedback. To see more of our great home tours, just click on the link on the screen now. And let us help you find your dream home. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest price, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for watching.